So when the true love of Allah burns in our heart, my respected friends, then everything that is beloved to Allah will become beloved to us. What did Majnoon do? Bichare. He became mad for a mortal. Hakim Akhtar Sahab Damat Barakatum says, हसीनों को देखकर पागल हो जाते हैं और हसीनों के पैदा करने वाले को भूल जाते हैं. दुनिया के हसीनों को देखकर पागल हो जाते हो तुम. You see the beautiful women and the beauty of this world, and you become mad and you forget the creator of beauty. وَقَالَ تُخْرِجْ عَلَيْهِنْ. Oh Yusuf, go! And they are sitting with the knives. قَطَّعْنَ أَيْدِيَهُنَّ. When they saw the beauty of Yusuf, alayhi salatu wassalam, they cut their fingers. Hadrat Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha used to say, لَنَا شَمْسٌ وَلِلْآفَاكِ شَمْسٌ لَنَا شَمْسٌ وَلِلْآفَاكِ شَمْسٌ وَشَمْسِي خَيْرٌ مِّن شَمْسِ السَّمَاءِ لأن الشمس السماء تطلع بعد فجر وشمسي تطلع بعد العشاء. The heavens have their sun, and I also have my sun, the face of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But my sun is far superior to the sun of the heavens, because the sun of the heavens rises in the morning, and my sun, the beauty of the face of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it rises after Isha. He's sitting on the mimbar of Medina, and Hassan bin Thabit, involuntary, ما أحسن منك لم تر قط عيني وأجمل منك لم تلد النساء خلقت مبرأ من كل عيب كأنك قد خلقت كما تشاء. Oh Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, more beautiful, more handsome than you. These eyes have never seen. More beautiful than you. No woman has ever given birth to. You have been created free from every defect and every blemish. It is as if you have been created according to your desire. मौलाना कासिम नानोती रहमतुल्लाह अलैह used to say, सबसे पहली मशीयत के अनवार से नक्श रूह मोहम्मद बनाया गया, फिर उस नूर से मांग कर रोशनी सारे कोनों मकानों सजाया गया. From the first nur of Allah, He created Janabi Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then the sun borrowed light from that nur and lit the universe. So Hadrat Aisha used to say, the ladies of Yusuf cut their fingers when they saw his beauty. If they had to see my Yusuf, they would have pierced their hearts. Imagine the creator of that beauty. What is his beauty?